end-to-end action from the start. A good performance from your team, you think? Tell us about that.
Yeah, I think it was a decent performance from us tonight. Both teams, I think, traded punch at each other. And second half, I think we had some level of dominance. Unfortunate that we couldn't find another goal, but it was end-to-end action. I'm pleased with the way we executed for most part, but there's still some areas I think we still have to fix moving forward.
And it's getting down to crunch time now. Points accumulation very important.
Yeah, we want to be in the playoff and we want to solidify our spot as quickly as possible. And so we have to rack up as much points on the board now as possible. And of course we have to be more ruthless and be tighter in defence. I didn't think we handled the crosses very well tonight, and that's something that we have to fix going down the stretch. And if we want to do well in the playoffs, again, that's something that we have to do better.
And the bench is getting stronger regarding Auburn coming back.
Yeah, it's good to have him back. We know what he can do and what he has done for the club all these years, and exciting to have him back. And once he's in tip-top shape, he's going to be out on the park for us.
A number of your players were called up by the coach for the local squad that went to Trinidad. What does that say about what Arnett is bringing to the Premier League to have so many players being given the nod by coach?
It's good. It's fantastic for the club and for the community. I want to keep that going, and that was part of the mandate for us here to expose as much player at the national level, and hopefully they can get into the international market.
Daddy.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm happy with them and the way they have acquitted themselves right throughout the season and what they've been doing so far. Cool.